Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Saphe link app. So let's get started. So to do that, you have to follow this easy step. So here you have to go and you have to search for the Saphe link app, Saphe link app. Okay, just click on here, create a free account. So you have to create first of all a free account of yours in here, Saphe app. Okay, after that you have to open. So basically it's a app. It will show your everything like on the roads, where you can get a fine. Okay, and you can just avoid the fines using this app. So basically this app is nice for the drivers who always fine on the road, and you can avoid their speeding and fines here. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.